let me take you to one of my favorite restaurants. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? Okay, this is me trying to get dressed here. Oh my gosh, I am preparing to go to one of the amazing restaurants that I've known for many years. Even before I met my husband, I always go there all alone to go and eat and relax. They really have an amazing delicacy here in Italy. So I was just preparing myself, putting up my clothes, and they're trying to put some product on my face before I will start doing my makeup. Oh la, this is me. I've almost done doing my makeup, so I'm just trying to blush my face with the white powder. Then now it is time for me to put on my tights, my leggings. All right, I have to dress very well like a queen that I am. Oh my gosh, if you have watched this video to this extent, please guys, kindly follow us for more videos. Like, comment and share, please. Thank you. This is one of the clothes that I bought the other day, and which is I've done the unboxing on online. Very beautiful, and it is really giving. Here I'm putting my cream on my hand so that my hand will be shiny. All right, I'm putting the new ring that my husband bought for me. Wow, it's really beautiful. I was finding it difficult to put my wristwatch on my hand, so I asked for help from my husband. Yeah, I am using my perfume. I love to smell good, really good, baby girl. So yeah, I am trying to dress my hair. You can see, oh god, the makeup, the dressing, everything is really giving. This is the queen that I have. I always love being a queen. Oh, I've already set for the dinner date with hubby. So hubby came to pick me with his car. We are going, we were grooving. It was night dating, okay, because yeah, everywhere gets dark easily, okay. Oh my god, this is one of my favorite restaurants, and they have the best food ever. Hubby was systemizing his suit. The restaurant is really giving. Oh my god, this is the fire. Maybe when you want to smoke, or when you get before you enter, you want to feel a little bit warm, then you go close to the where the heater is. Is really nice. I was just sitting down close to the heater, you know, warming myself. Oh, look at the queen. Oh, already our wine has already come up. They have already bring our wine because we have already ordered our food. This is fresh beef without cooking it. It's not cooked. So I was the one eating it, and hubby used another meat that is pork meat cooked one. Hubby was testing his own, so we do exchange plates. I test hubby own, hubby will test my own. The food was so amazing. This is the fresh beef made with salad that I was eating. Very nice. The taste was awesome. Then we ordered another second food that is beef and the roasted beef. Hubby ordered the roasted beef with some chips. This is the vegetable potato. Thank you for watching.